तो आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं ये, क्योंकि कल इसका कुछ पार्ट हमने कंप्लीट किया था। तो भाई चल तो शुरू करें। क्योंकि मेरे में लाइव चैट ओपन नहीं होता, तो सॉरी गाइस फॉर सीइंग एंड रिप्लाइंग। बेस्ट ऑफ can live both. Frogs can live both on lands and fresh waters, and belongs to amphibians. Amphibian class amphibia phylums. The most of common species of the frogs found in Indian Alaska, dramatic. It was Indian species. They don't have such consistent blood temperature. ये अपनी बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन नहीं कर सकते. It is known as cold-blooded animal. It is known as cold-blooded animals. They do not have constant body temperatures. So इसलिए it's known as body temperature. Their body temperatures varies with the temperatures of environment. Environment के तापमान के हिसाब से ये अपने body temperature को change करते रहते हैं. Such animals are cold-blooded. जो body temperature अपना environment के साथ maintain नहीं कर पाते, जो as cold-blooded animals are polychlorines. You might have also noticed two change in color of the frogs, which is gray or red. Dry land. They have ability to change. They have ability to change to hide them from their enemies. Camouflage. It was an ability to change. इसके पास एक अपनी खुद की एक एबिलिटी प्रेजेंट होती है जिसके कारण ये अपने रंग को चेंज कर सकते हैं. इट इज नोन एज कैमोफ्लेज. It is known as camouflage. The protected color is called. वो कलर जो आता है प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए it was known as mimicry. You may also know that frogs are not seen drink. You may also know, मुझे पता कि आप जानते होंगे कि the frogs are not seen pick summers and not drink peak summers kind of thing. During this period, it was a sentence deeds browse and to protect them from extreme heat and cold. So this is known as a summary. This is known as a summer sleeps, estivations and winter sleep hibernations. समर स्लीप इसका हाइबरनेशंस. एस्टिवेशन समर में जाता था. एस्टिवेशन समर. इट इज गोट टू समर. It was known as estivations, and the goes in winters is called hibernations and morphology. And however, if you dust the skins of a frogs, and the skin is smooth and slippery due to the presence of skin as a slippery present of mucus. This muscles is also maintaining in most conditions. These colors of dorsal sides. The dorsal sides of irregular spots on a ventral side. The skin is uniformly because the frogs never drink water, but absorbs it through their skins. The body of frogs is divisible. Body of a frog is divisible into heads, and the body of a frog is divisible into head and trunks, and neck and tails are absent and above. The mouth appears on nostrils. Mouth appears nostril के just ऊपर one pairs of nostrils is present. Raja, so in nostrils presents lower leads organism. E are bluster, I are blushets and conferred by the nectarines eyes blust bulging eyes. Bulging eyes में बाहर की तरफ जो eyes निकली रहती is known as a bulging eyes. It is known as a bulging eyes on the either sides of the eyes. A membrane is tympanums ear receives similar to four limbs and hind limbs to four limbs and hind limb help in four limbs and hind limb help in for swimming, walking, leaping and brownings. The hind limbs in the five hand limb in the five finger in the desert and it's largest muscular than their limbs and the end of four digits and four limb में four digit होते हैं hind limb में five digit. The funds have whips इसमें whips present होते हैं जो कि उसमें to help in the swimming करने में help करते हैं sexual dimorphism present होती है क्योंकि present होता है उसमें कितने हैं दो चीज़ कपड़े present होते हैं and second होता है vocular sac जिसके कैलोर्स जो मेल present होते हैं वो it was a seen in वो क्या dimorphism present distinguished by the presence of sound producing vocal cords and copulator plates on the first digits of a forelimbs and which is not on it, which is absent in a female's frog present to them. The anatomies of frogs. The body cavities of frogs accommodates different organ system such as digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous systems and reproduction system. The digestive system consists of alimentary canals. Digestive system में two types present होते हैं. Two type में एक first होता है तुम्हारा alimentary canal present होता है. Second होता है तुम्हारा digestive gland present होता है. The alimentary canals is a sort alimentary canals digestive system के two parts present होते हैं. Two parts alimentary canal के अंदर two parts present होते हैं. And the digestive gland and the alimentary canals alimentary canals is the shortest because frogs are carnivorous and hence the length of intestines is reduced in carnivorous and the mouth opens in the buccal cavity and that leads to the buccal cavity mouth pharynx माउथ से बकल कैविटी से फेरिंग्स जाता है. फेरिंग्स तुम्हारा ओसोफेगस तो स्टमच में जाता है. स्टमच स्टार्टर ओसोफेगस फर्स्ट ट्यूब that opens our stomach. Esophagus is shortest tube. Esophagus is shortest tube open into the stomach and which is turned continuous as an intestines and the rectum and finally open. Stomach turns तुम्हारा रहता है as the intestines and intestines तुम्हारा rectum and the finally opens outside of another cloaca. Cloaca is liver secreted by juice. Liver secreted by juice that is storage in gallbladder में present है. लीवर सीक्रेट करता है. क्या सीक्रेट करता है तुम्हारा बाइल जूस. लीवर सीक्रेटेड बाइल juices and that is storage in the gallbladder and pancreas and digestive gland produce and pancreatic juice present to heart. No two types of liver present. Liver secreted bile juice को किस gallbladder green color का present होता है. green color esophagus present esophagus pharynx को किस fat bodies present होते हैं. Livers पे present होता है. fat bodies present है. lungs pink color lungs का pink color yellow color से तुम्हारा किडनी के लिए रेडिश ब्राउन परसेंट से यूरेटर्स आके ओपन होता है. यूरेथ्रा पे यूरिनेट ब्लड प्रेजेंट होता है. यूरिनेट प्रेजेंट निकल के थ्रू ये रेसिक्रेशन का सेगमेंट स्टोमच एंड ओसोफेगस के पीछे हमारा स्टोमच सिस्टम होता है. containing digestive juice. It's capturing by in the bilotes tongues. It's capturing occupies bilot tongues present in the digestion of a food taking place by the food digestions of a food and concentrations of actions. It's gastric juices secreted by the intestine, secreted by from a wall of stomach, secreted from the wall of stomach and partially digestive of gland, partially digestive so glands kinds is passed from stomach and it's passed from stomach in the first part of the small intestine and duodenum. The duodenum receives bile from a gallbladder and pancreatic juice from the pancreatics through the common bile duct and biles emulsifications fats. Biles emulsification fats and pancreatic juice emulsification fats and pancreatic juices. Digestion's carbohydrate pancreatic juices biles emulsifications of fats bile juices emulsifications of fats and pancreatic juices digestions कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड प्रोटीन जो पैनक्रियाटिक जूसेस प्रेजेंट होती हैं वो क्या करते हैं इमल्सिफिकेशन करते हैं यहाँ किसका कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड प्रोटीन्स का एंड फाइनली डाइजेशन टेक प्लेस इन द intestines. Digestive fluid is absorbed by numerous finger-like structures folded structure in inner wall of intestines. It was called a villi या माइक्रोविलाई कहते हैं क्योंकि माइक्रोविलाई जब फिंगर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं तो उनकी फिंगर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाने के कारण उनकी सरफेस एरिया बढ़ जाती है। जो सरफेस एरिया बढ़ता है तब क्या होता है एब्जॉर्प्शन वो काफ़ी तेज़ी से काफ़ी मतलब ज़्यादा मात्रा में ये एब्जॉर्ब्स कर लेते हैं। ठीक है रेक्टम्स माइक्रोविलाई अंडर गोज शुड वेस्ट मूव्स रेक्टम एंड जो अंडरगोज जो ऑब्जर्व कर लेते हैं बाकी जो वेस्ट होता है उसको आगे रेक्टम में ट्रांसफर कर दिया जाए रेक्टम से सीधे तो भाई यूरेथ्रा में यूरेथ्रम कहाँ है रेक्टम से पासेज दिस इज आउट थ्रू क्लेका फ्रॉग रेस्पिरेटर्स ऑन लैंड्स एंड फ्रॉग रेस्पिरेशन कर सकता है ऑन लैंड एंड इन द वाटर टू डिफरेंट मेथड बाय डिफरेंट मेथड मतलब जब लैंड पे रहेगा तो उसका रेस्पिरेशन करने का मेथड अलग रहेगा अब वहीं पे जो वो वाटर में रहेगा देन उसके रेस्पिरेशन करने का मेथड अलग हो जाता है चेंज हो जाता है इन अ वाटर स्किन इन वाटर में जो वाटर रहता था मोस्टली जो वो वाटर में रहता है तो मोस्टली इसके द्वारा स्किन एक्ट एज एक्वाटिक रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स स्किन एज एक्वाटिक रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स पॉइंटेड Skin act as aquatic respiratory organs and cutaneous respirations. Okay. And dissolving oxygen in the waters and exchanging through the skin by diffusions on a land. जब वो land पे रहता है the buccal cavity and skin and lungs act as a respiratory organ. जब वो land पे रहता है तो तीनों मेथड्स होते हैं बकल कैविटी से भी करता है स्किन के थ्रू भी करता है एंड लंग्स के थ्रू भी करता है बट जब वो वाटर में प्रेजेंट होता है तो इट वॉज अ ओनली एक्वाटिक रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन इज अ स्किन इट इज स्किन एंड दिस रेस्पिरेशन इज नोन एज क्यूटेनियस रेस्पिरेशन दिस रेस्पिरेशन बाय लंग्स अगर हम लंग्स के द्वारा करते हैं तो लंग्स पल्मोनरी रेस्पिरेशन कोई भी ऑर्गन्स कोई भी जीव कोई भी एनिमल अगर लंग्स के थ्रू रेस्पिरेशन कर रहा है इज नोन एज pulmonary respiration and the lungs are a paired जो लंग्स होते हैं वो पेयर में होते हैं चाहे हमारे हो चाहे फ्रॉग के हो क्योंकि फ्रॉग की एनाटॉमी और हमारी एनाटॉमी लगभग सिमिलर होती है elongated and pink colored sac like structure is known as liver है पिंक कलर स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है लंग्स होता है सॉरी लिवर रेड कलर का होता है लंग्स पिंक कलर सेक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स इन द अपर पार्ट्स ऑफ ट्रंक्स thoracic part में as it enters through the nostril and into the buccal cavities and then to the lungs. इनमें lungs कैसे होती है पिंक कलर की होती है and during estivations summer sleeping, and hibernation is winter sleeping. Gases exchanges किसके द्वारा गैसेज एक्सचेंज करते हैं? थ्रू द बॉडी, स्किन द्वारा करते हैं, स्किन के थ्रू करते हैं. एंड ड्यूरिंग एस्टिवेशन एंड हाइबरनेशन गैसेज एक्सचेंजेस टेक प्लेस एज थ्रू स्किन. ठीक है. एंड द वेस्कुलर सिस्टम, अब इसके आगे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पढ़ लिया. वेस्कुलर सिस्टम, वेस्कुलर सिस्टम ऑफ अ फ्रॉग विल डेवलप इन क्लोज टाइप. ठीक है. फ्रॉग हैव अ लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम आल्सो. हाँ, इसमें लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम भी प्रेजेंट होता है. ठीक है. लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम प्रेजेंट होता है. वेल it was a closed system, closed type of system present the lymphatic system also. And the blood vascular system involved the heart. blood circulation system में क्या क्या इन्वॉल्व होता है? हार्ट प्रेजेंट होता है. एम्फीबियन एम्फीबियन कितने हार्ट प्रेजेंट होते हैं? एम्फीबियन blood vessels. The lymphatic system consists of a lymph channels and lymph nodes present होते हैं. And the heart is a muscular structure. जितने the heart तुम्हारा मेसोडर्मल्स होता है. हाँ. फ्रॉग में और ह्यूमन्स में मेसोडर्मल होता है, बट कॉकरोच में जब पढ़ते हैं तो उनमें बताया गया कि वो न्यूरोडर्मल स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट है. इसको तो अपर पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी कैविटी एंड 3 चैम्बर. इट इज 3 चैम्बर. 3 चैम्बर किसमें? एक तो एम्फीबियन में पाया जाता है. 3 चैम्बर्ड हार्ट, एम्फीबियन, रेप्टाइल, reptile. The 2 artery and ventricles covered by the एक layer होती है peritoneum membrane and a triangular structure of. and इसके 2 other third and artery and 1 upper parts of the body cavity and the 3 chambers, 2 arteries and 1 ventricles. And it was covered by like membranes के through covered होती है. called peritoneum membranes and a triangular structures called sinus venosus. So एक triangular structure present होता है इसमें called sinus venosus and joined to the right artery. एक अदर स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट होता है जिसको साइनस वेनोसस कहते हैं. साइनस वेनोसस क्या है? साइनस वेनोसस इज द साइनस वेनोसस join the part of sinus venosus join the part of right atrium. And it receives blood through the major veins called vena. यहाँ से ब्लड जो निकलते हैं इट्स receives blood. ये ब्लड को रिसीव करता है through the major veins called vena के बाद. and the ventricles open. जो ventricles होते हैं open the blood cones conorrhyosis on the ventricle side of the heart. The blood from the heart is carried to the all parts of the body. Blood is carried off all of the parts of body. From the blood of arteries and arterial system, the venous collected blood from different parts of the heart. The blood from the heart is carried to all parts of the body of arterials is known as arterial systems. The veins collected blood from the different parts of the body to the hearts from the venous hearts. Venous system. The venous collected blood from different parts of the bodies of the heart and from the venous system. This venous, especially venous connected vitamins to liver and intestinal and kidneys, lower parts of the body. Is present of frog as the called hepatic water vents and the lateral called renal water systems and composed of plasma and cells. The body cell are wishy or erythrocytes. WBC white blood cells are nuclear present in the containing red color pigment hemoglobin called hemoglobin. So the lymph is different from blood. Its lack of proteins and RBC the carries nutrients gases parts of the respiratory sites during the circulations and the circulations of blood. is achieved by pumping exert of muscular heart. Musculars heart. The eliminations of nitrogen is best carried out of the body. Respiratory system. Respiratory system consists of parts of kidney, urinary cycle, glycal and urinary products. Glycal urinary products present and these are compact, dark red and venous-like structures situated at the little portions in the body. Cavities on the both sides of a vertical columns. Each kidney is composed of several structures and functional is called uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules are nephrons. Two ureters emerge. Two ureters emerge in the nephros act as a urinator. Two ureters emerge from the kidney in the nephros. The ureters as act significant ducts that which opens the playground canals that ureters and oviducts. Open secretions open with the absence of a cloaca and a thin wall urinary bladder. Thin walled urinary bladders is present in ventricles to the rectums, which also open in cloaca. Opening cloaca the frog are urogenital animals. Urodelic means excretory waste are colored. Means where is separated and excreted. The system of control and coordination is a highly evolved in frogs. Control and coordinations is a highly evolved in the frogs. It included both the neural system and endocrine system. The chemical coordination varies of the organ's body achieves by hormones and which is secreted by endocrine glands and the prominent endocrine gland found in the frog are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid, thymus, pineal bodies, pancreatics, islands, and gonads. The nervous system of nervous central nervous system, brain and spinal cord and peripheral nervous system is cranial and spinal nerves and an arm and an autonomic nervous systems, sympathetics and parasympathetic and parasympathetic. There are certain pairs of cranial numbers, but in humans it was found in 12 pairs of cranial nerves. It is enclosed by the structures of the brain of cranials. The brain is divided into four brain midbands and hindbrain four included by the olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemispheres, and unpaired diencephalons, hypothalamus, unpaired cerebral hemispheres. The midbrains characterized by a pair of optical lobe hindbrains and consist of a cerebellum and oblong and Pons are absent in obligated foramen and continuous spinal cord is enclosed verticals column was enclosed in the verticals columns sensory pupils tested words in small basal epithelium basically and hearing tympanics with internals yes plus mesoderm is internal out of them. These eyes and internals ears as well organizes structures and the rest are cellular aggregations around the nerves mainly. It makes eyes enough for frogs. Frogs are pairs of spherical structures. The simple eyes possess is only one unit external ear is absent. And the only tympanums can busy and dependent scarlet internal ear plus internal ear present होता है and internal ear के साथ mesodermal ear ये दोनों मिलकर तुम्हारा tympanic का formation करते हैं. Can be seen extremely and thin ears is an organs of hearing as well as balancing जो ear of organs present होते हैं. organ ear तो दो काम करते हैं, एक सुनने का भी काम करते हैं, एक body balancing का भी काम करते हैं. as known as equilibrium position present the frog has a well organisms males and female reproduction systems and male reproduction organisms appear काफी अलग अलग उसकी टेस्ट small testes which are found adhered to the upper spots of kidney by double membrane polysome. It's called a mesoarchaeum. Orchid most of friends are 10 to 12 dozen. Members are analyzed to the testes. So this fat bodies present with the mesoarchaeum is broad double membranes folded present in kidney present the vasa efferentia 10 to 12 and testicles the adrenal gland present in the bitter canal. Ovary, ova, urethra, urogenital tract, canals finally communicates with our urogenital tract. It's known as urethra. That is common out the kidney and insane cloaca. This cloaca is a small medium chambers that are used in facilitators urinary and sperms to the exterior exit. Is the female's reproductive organs include the supply of ovary, apiars of ovary, situations near the kidney. The no function is connected on the structures connected, but you testes are connected structures and functions capable for the with the kidney and pairs of oviduct. The pairs of oviduct arise from ovary. Pairs of oviduct arise from the ovary openings in the gravia separations and matures females slings in it matures fling length 25 to 25 से 33 oviducts perfect the time fertilization externals and that take place in the waters and the liquids starts when tadpole started with the metamorphosis and to form adult the frogs and benefit from mankind because they eat insects and protect its crop maintaining economical balance. Frog is the maintenance of economical balance को maintain करते हैं and this serves as an important link of food chain. This is important like a food chain when legs का formation ecosystem is known as muscular legs and muscular leg present as a food by a man. उसका food Small intestine. Intestine. Single circulations complete.